Assalamu alaikum, namaste, hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today let's make the chicken fry. Easy to make, excellent in taste. This is a half kg chicken. Today I'm going to prepare. This is enough for the small family. If the big family is big, you can increase the quantity. Before going to start the process, as usual, a small request. Whoever not a subscribe to my channel, please subscribe so that you may get the more delicious dishes further. And even the first viewer of my uploads, click the like button, press the bell icon, share the friends and relatives. Come on, let's begin the process. I have already on the stove. I have kept the pan on the stove to reduce the length. It is well heated. Now let's add the chicken, half kg chicken. It is well washed. Now we have to add this one. Now let us add the ginger garlic paste, 3 spoons. Salt as per taste. I am using a 1 spoonful. Turmeric powder, half spoon. Chili powder, 2 spoonful. If you are lover of spicy much, you can use more than as per taste. This is 3 big size of onion I have chopped like this, and then 2 tomatoes. Now let us add now. Let us stir for 5 minutes. Don't add water, stir well till the onion becomes tender for 5 minutes. Now let us add the curd. 5 tablespoonful. Don't add the water. Add the tomatoes and green chilies. Stir well for 5 minutes more. See the water is oozing from the chicken and the onion curd. So we should not use the water. Now let's add this is the chicken 65 powder, 2 spoons, 2 tablespoons. This is homemade garam masala, adding all the spices, 2 spoons. If you don't have this one, you can use the market masala, garam masala, what you have in the home. Coriander, chopped coriander. Now let us add a small glass of water. Let us cook now. Till the chicken becomes tender, like we have to cook for 10 minutes. Let us cook now. Let us occasionally stir meat. Once in 2 or 3 minutes we have to stir. We have to cook till it became dry. Once in 3 or 4 minutes we have to stir and cover and cook till this entire water dried up and became dry. Let us do that one. Let us check now. This is it. The gravy became very thick. It is going to be dry. Now let us add the 3 tablespoons hot oil to this gravy. Let us heat and add 3 tablespoons of oil. This is approximately 3 tablespoons. You can use as much as you want. Let us heat. It is well after melting. Now let us add the oil. Now we have to cook in low flame for 5 minutes more till the oil floats up. See how nice it is. Now let us keep in low flame and cook for 5 minutes more till the oil gets separated and comes up, floats up. That's it. Now our chicken is ready to eat and serve. Now let us put off the stove. Let us take out into the plate. Let us serve this. Now our chicken fry is ready to eat and serve with chapatis, naan and plain rice, khichdi as you like. Suppose if you are satisfied with my cooking, don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the like button, press the bell icon, take care of yourself. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Allah Hafiz.